On many shop floors, CNC programming still relies on manual G-code. Slow, error-prone, and limiting productivity, especially in high-mix environments. Too often, one skilled programmer keeps operations running. When they are unavailable, production slows or stops, making this dependency a growing risk. Interpreting 2D drawings into parts adds complexity, increasing errors, rework, and setup time. Reducing time from drawing to machining is critical. NGSP brings intelligent programming directly to the machine, closing the gap between job and execution, making CNC operations faster, more flexible, and less dependent on specialized expertise. Now let's understand how NGSP works on the machine. Import the 3D model file, locate the work offset for the component, and assign the stock for the component, and then we can proceed to program the part. Human-assisted feature detection allows users to program parts much quickly by simply selecting the part features. Watch how simple CNC programming can be. Just create operation blocks, select the features of planar, cavity, or hole, and set the cutting parameters. The software assigns the right tools automatically. Once done, calculate the toolpath and run it on the machine for precise results. NGSP automatically selects the best tools and cutting parameters based on part geometry, reducing programming time and improving machining efficiency. Operators of any skill level can achieve fast, safe, and consistent results thanks to an intuitive interface and automated decision-making. NGSP is designed to be seamlessly embedded into CNC controllers, enabling CNC control makers and machine tool builders to differentiate their offerings by significantly improving operator productivity at the shop floor. Built as a modern web-based application, NGSP provides flexibility for system integrators to deploy the front end and back end across different hardware setups. For example, running the user interface on the CNC HMI while handling computation on a more powerful IPC. This ensures both performance and scalability without compromising the user experience. Internal benchmarks show that NGSP can make programming up to 70% faster than standard G-code approaches and up to 50% faster than conversational programming methods. For high-mix, low-volume manufacturers, that means more jobs completed per shift, less dependence on one expert programmer, and faster time to first good part. Most importantly, NGSP helps manufacturers get more output from the people and machines they already have. Experience the future of shop floor programming with NGSP.